the distinguished senator of the Federal Republic, told the whole world that we looted our offices, that chairs, tables, televisions were carted away by the senators. I feel very strongly about this, and I believe my privileges have been breached as one of the distinguished senators that served in the Ninth Senate. Mr. President, very distinguished colleague, this is a very serious matter. Our colleague was speaking to Nigerians. He was addressing Nigerians about this Senate. And knowing fully well that it's not possible for any senator to move a pin out of this National Assembly without the express approval of the management. Mr. President, the procedures are clear. At the end of our tenure, all the assets in our office will be verified by the management. We will sign for it. And if anything is not complied with or any asset is missing, your severance payment will not be paid.
Media. And I even thought that it is fake news. So I'm surprised that my colleague is bringing it here, which means that it is true. Mr. President, that statement is misleading. It's very defamatory. And we will not take it as a Senate. I equally serve in the 9th Senate, and I know that the content of that interview is false.
So, when you register your acceptance, you can now go away with those items. And you pay. You either pay through cash or through your severance gratuity.
You pay before you take it.
And they will remove the money automatically for your severance gratuity. And such monies are taken directly to the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the federal government. So those items that were removed legally, and it's tradition in every end of every Senate. So it's possible because our colleague is new, Mr. President. Our colleague is new. He doesn't understand this tradition in the Senate.
But the fact that the journey to this place is not easy. Number two, in my view, what I did, and I'm happy it is recorded, at no time in the course of my reply to the allegation made by the TV host, at no time did I say that senators looted their office. I never said so. And I will challenge with respect to the mover of the motion to show that clip of the channel's television. What I said was this: I said offices were vandalized. And Mr. President, except that people didn't take our informal chat seriously, I've had calls in your office, in the office of the Deputy Senate President, and in other offices where we agonize over the state of our offices. And I said on that television, I said, many senators here have had to use their money to procure basic needs for their office because the ones that were there before were removed. I never imagined evil now. I do not believe that a senator will vandalize his own office. Why? So how can anybody accuse me that I accuse senators? My distinguished colleagues, I'm sure with profound respect, having listened to my explanation, you know that if anybody got the impression that I accused the senators, that was certainly not the intention, and that was certainly not what I said. But for those who feel that that's my comment, which was meant to protect our collective image, was offensive, of course I apologize. Because I cannot leave the comfort of my home to go and abuse a house in which I am a member.
Thank you very much. Distinguished Senator Oshiomhole. Distinguished Senator Oshiomhole. the operating